So I get this question all the time. What type of insurance should I get? And most people ask me this question as if I'm gonna tell them a brand, right? Like Progressive or Geico or Allstate. First of all, let me tell you, do not get Allstate, because from my experience, Allstate is the company that we have to file claims and pursue in litigation more than any other company. So just Allstate is garbage. And I know they're probably the least expensive, but don't get Allstate. But the answer really doesn't go into the brand or the name of the company that's gonna give you insurance. It's gonna go to the type of insurance that you get. For example, it's gonna go to the limits. Do not get the minimum limits. In the state of Georgia, the minimum limit is $25,000. Please get something beyond that, $50,000 or $100,000. If you can go for $100,000 limits, that is my recommendation. If you can't, please do not go less than $50,000, okay? Get at least $50,000, but if you can afford more, get more. $100,000 would be my recommendation. It's usually sold like this: $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident. It's called 100, 300. Also, you should add uninsured motorist coverage. What's that? Well, it's when you get in a car wreck, God forbid, and the other person doesn't have insurance, right? What happens? Then your own insurance comes and protects you. So have at least $50,000 in uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage helps you when the other person does not have car insurance or doesn't have enough car insurance. Now be careful. Uninsured motorist coverage comes in two flavors, okay? The original and extra crispy. No, I'm just kidding. It comes in reduced by coverage and added on coverage. Make sure it's the added on version and not the reduced by version. Usually they call the reduced by version the traditional coverage. You don't want that. You want the added on coverage. Finally, last but not least, there is something that is almost always overlooked, and it's a gem. It's something that you need. It's called medical payments coverage, okay? Medical payments coverage is extra insurance. It's beyond health insurance that helps you with your medical bills, okay? You should have at least $10,000 of medical payments coverage. $10,000 of medical payments coverage. If you have those three things, okay, you have at least $50,000 in coverage, $50,000 in uninsured motorist coverage, and $10,000 in medical payments coverage. That will ensure you are properly protected if, God forbid, you're ever in a car wreck. And those are the three things that you need that I recommend with respect to car insurance policies.